sandumelana ishopo phule mathi phela nesiKelvin dona semkhona liyakenza bathi umkhenza lasha athethiswa today kumnandi ku-rough ama-emotions are mixed iron low bengisacela uku-introduce ama-out wami engihamba nawo before singangena kuyo sithi kwi-dissector siyiphule sibeke phansi siparalyze hamba nomaboja ngayewile welcome home mfethu
Hello guys.
awuthambe igula usakama multivitamin waba grand
angakaphuli
Angeke uphole ntwana izinto izohlala nawe forever.
ngayikabule after
ungayidlipi
ngayikabule after
ikhathe
hamba no Mr. Z3 bathi siyagotha
Oye.
ngada igcineni wafethu ngiphethe Mr. Nonchalant umhlaba wonke jikelele esikhobo mbombokazi so wafethu nama-questions ukuthi ngiwabhalile in regards to this FIFA World Cup ukuthi come back. So I'm going to ask all of the questions and I need an answer from individual, not the answer ukuthi manje kube an open dialogue. Ne. Yini ngizoyenza open dialogue.
Makamanga ngiyakuphikisa.
It's fine. It's fine. Makuphikisa akho ngakunweni. Okay. Eyokuqala ithi what has been your biggest surprise of the 2026 FIFA World Cup so far?
Biggest surprise.
Yeah, biggest surprise.
a good one or a bad one or any
It can be
surprise.
let's just generalize it once.
World Cup for rigged.
Yeah.
There's none. There's no surprises.
Are you for real? So you say
If Cape Verde beat Argentina, things will shoot. That's the biggest surprise.
Well, yeah.
Then what if okay, sharp. Why Argentina actually don't want to okay, Argentina. It's rooted, yes. So
That's why I thought Argentina win World Cup the last time. So what if we make the stage goes?
Yeah, but there's so many surprises. Okay, according to NOT, there isn't. I mean, what the surprise it? But we never find in Korea. But we surprised.
The Korea.
South
Korea. Canada.
South Korea.
He came
this
They still winning.
What is it?
It isn't what is quite.
Oh, what's he shine?
Yeah.
That's a surprise.
No, listen.
Since
For me, yes, since when? And if it's done that we since when, but the way is into Zama and regarding to coach, they were managing a call. Like I'm a chances was the bonga positive now and it's okay 100. But we 100 they would in a hesitation for that. It's like taking 5% away from it. Yeah, so any surprises, my guy?
African teams qualifying for the 16, but
Yeah.
qualify two.
As I say no.
And
Nishugut qualify for top 32 or 16. That's been
if it's from
We're generalizing the whole thing, bro.
No,
if it's
so far what you
take a
see.
straight in the way, Baba. I'm not saying you have straight. Straight in the way.
This guy, they're feeling
No, for who's at the top 32, what's the African teams qualified? Or is 16?
Okay.
16 or 32?
Okay, but I couldn't get 32 kokuqala.
Or
Because I need to
33?
look at the number masiya ku 16.
Oh, that's what's
Yeah.
okay. Magamina 33 is not a wow.
why?
Since when?
Yeah,
Since when? What's wow?
Indawo manje kusuka ama-soccer politics and so on.
Okay,
Since when
sure.
ne? But it's rigged lento le. Hence he
straight.
said there, it's rigged.
No, we're gonna get there. Nami, I'm with you there.
Yeah.
And then I won't see up in the way.
Themba naso.
Ring out here.
So last 16 I'm African team was gonna push it to that much, but yeah, but when I go to qualify for last 32, yeah.
Then
At least
look
we
ring
held
us
our
something.
own, understand?
So look for something long issue. May let's ring us something there. Would see why and the onkam African teams that were puming the last 32 siphumeng ukufana.
Bafuna ukudefend amabaqeda
Wonke siphumeng ukufana sonke. Simele sizibuza ukuthi why. And it's mainly black Africans.
So, okay,
There's a much fun that not
I do get what you're saying. Taking from what sonke best defend. Is it into a FIFA or is it into a technical stuff like the whole setup?
It's a technical stuff thing because of what's the point? If you're leading, why is not moving the tickets? Why should we hold back?
So you say, are you saying we're giving? So are you saying we're giving more respect to
Europeans.
Europeans?
especially
That
after
was-
second half.
That was my status after game the Cape Verde ne-Argentina ukuthi why are we holding back? If Cape Verde be-attacker la izowina for 3
Bezowina lela game.
Same applies to le game le elokhuzana eMorocco neCanada. Is it Canada ne? Yeah, in Morocco neCanada. The very same game le, the way Morocco winning ngakhona, South Africa could have won the game. The very same way.
If only ne-converted chances tsa rona.
You
And South
understand?
Africa mfana yangikwadi.
Yeah, Steve, yeah, Mjaka.
Your
Your surprises.
Akuyitshile rigged.
Rigged. Waqalile khona vele ne?
Asi surprised.
So mina surprised like say
But-
like more
Manje,
visible as
Invisible,
to
yeah,
compared
compared to before.
previous.
Phela manje no
More
invisible.
siyabona mfethu.
Angithi masithi rigged should siyayibona ukuthi ya.
Kwenzakalani?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see ukuthi yaphi mfethu i-Argentina.
Okay, mina-
Argentina
yeah,
never.
fair.
Well,
Yeah,
opinion yakho according to me i-Argentina because angenzi ngithi
nami the way
i-rigged.
ngibona ngakho, okay, angeke ngize ngithi iya ku-Argentina, but Argentina ibanjwelwe mfana amagimi lapha.
Hayi.
Ayibanjwelwe mfana.
Like
We can debate about that.
siben honest
Manje.
mfethu.
Siyazi
Ngeke
ukuthi
mfethu
uGoat
run away
Messi,
from
we
the fact
understand
ukuthi
that, but
Themba Zwane uthole red card game in the first game
This game.
and yet your goat was Argentina.
ungeke uGoat cause
Akilata direct mfethu. Uthole va direct.
Yeah, man.
Goat wakho
Straight,
mfethu.
man.
Goat wakho committee foul le rona ka mka red card.
serious offense.
So many fouls entseng ke Argentina Joe. Tse le
Ubukele
Like
game
it-
lezolo le France ne Paraguay.
like mfethu the players at Argentina. The players at Argentina they were like fouling the opposition players
And
like so
yeah.
aba judge like period. Mara tse ding ba di judge.
Do you see the negatives, the faults?
There is plenty, bro.
There is.
Apaya,
There is plenty.
And Nzoringa
But
now.
manje yabona
Ngeke ngiringe now.
That's why
Ngiringe
I like le wena uyibonile sokufakazela mina ngizokufakazela. Ringa mfana.
ama-surprise. So mina ngiyasho ukuthi mina kimi kunama-surprises.
Khuluma ibhola, asikhulumi
Wonke umuntu
ngeplayer
okuna
you are.
16.
Khuluma ibhola.
For me,
What
it was
deserves
obvious. It was obvious it was going to be like this. Ayikho nje thing surprising.
Okay, moving forward, gents. Which team has impressed you the most and why?
Cabo Verde for now.
Yeah.
Cabo
Ayi,
Verde,
thina
ayi.
mzonke uMessi.
Because of Cabo Verde mfana kutshele ne. Cabo Verde like yayicala. Remember qualify le jwang? Ka di draw.
Throw.
Yeah, withdraw.
Until so like abaya ko last stage 2 obviously they wanted to like
You can't cheat football for real.
they wanted to
Nanto wow.
ba phela ne ba shele la ile Argentina la letlo ba something big go bona for the factory mfana ba ifitse ko riding extra time jo I for not a big improvement go bona batho ba and they know why for
No,
not inhlale
fit.
grand
Yona team
for
impressed.
na impressive
No, Ntwana, thina bafethu.
wena mina
No,
ngisho
Ntwana, thina siseta ama-standards high bafethu.
mina
Ngeke
impressive.
bafethu. Kumele kube surprise. Cabo Verde beyizoyihla Argentina.
Yeah, it's not a
Ungathi mfana ukuthi sithi mfana into ewayo Ntwana.
Yeah,
Labantu laba if beba-attack.
my question na ithi
Mara.
We saw Ntwana.
Bobo,
We saw ama-glimpses ukuthi mabanga-attack
Na question.
alizishaya.
Ama-
Siyaba-respect, why
Surprise.
respect Argentina, why
Bobo.
respect abo-Portugal, why respect la ma-team la.
No,
Respect.
yazi mfana, yazi ama-question
Thina
lawo abuya.
niseta-
Listen, bruh,
niseta
that's
standards
not about
the
that.
chief
You need to listen,
the chief
listen.
na question
Mame, le question le iposwe kulento esiyibonile so far. Siyazi ukuthi ama-team wethu e-Africa bangenza kangcono singabashaya labantu la, but
Bakhulu.
what we've seen so
Nasinyatha.
far, what we've seen so far, into esiyibonile asisinyathi dog.
Nasinyatha.
And yabona iFIFA World Cup mayicala ibubukele lokhuzana ama-episode wethu besikhuluma nge-South Africa ngoba besazi ukuthi we have the capabilities and potential ukuthi we can dala what must
Maka
be
we
dala.
said ukuthi umuntu ongazidlisi coach
Listen.
and uyosidlisa.
Bobo, you listen to answer.
ayo
You
madala
listen.
madala sibulele naye
So going back to that,
Yeah, really.
ama-question abuya from kuthi esiyibonile, not saying ukuthi i-Cape Verde bengeke izibele lapha bengayishaya i-Argentina, but lento esiyibonile isho otherwise.
Cape Verde bengadla neSpain the first game. If beba-attack.
Benga.
If beba-attack.
That's the thing.
So yabona ukuthi ngifuna ukubonisa i-mentality yethu as ama-Africans ukuthi ukuthi i-fucked up nabo badlala neSpain bafuna ukudefenda abafuna ukuthi iSpain sibakore so bagayi-respect nathi sihleli siyaringa le sothi ya mara hey beba-defend iSpain nabo abantu laba abafana nathi kumele balandele abantu laba mfethu abashaye bomathunini ngithola put a statement there siyazi ukuthi lento le siyayibona ukuthi iya maka let's put a statement as Africans sibabona ukuthi labantu laba sibasabi ithi siphethe ibhola labo bafethe idatha iscience technology lalabantu laba mfethu thina ibhola lethu li raw disk mfethu that's why ngithi one manje nithi surprisingly in Cape Verde if beyidla Argentina it was going to be a shock mara if beyidla Spain kule first game yes azodla Argentina mina bekungekusaba ishock game they deserve it because they play
why
yabona ukuthi kumele silungise mentality
why is it a shock
why is it ngithi sonke nabo Cape Verde nabo
I understand your mentality that you're talking about but why now is it a shock maybe Argentina where else you saying ukuthi bengayidla Argentina why is it a shock maybe
Bezoba is shocked because of Argentina winning the World Cup the previous time. So am I expectations wait what Argentina can go all the way because of they know this thing. Cape Verde it's the first time they play. And now and among bigger game and it's their first time riding. That is why if bezoba is shock. But at the same time bekumele take Argentina. Kumele babalande la mfethu labantu laba bakora 2 goals and bowubona ukuthi akunembo Argentina la kunembo la singawina la into bengashock let's keep Argentina and ziyaqala ukudlala ku World Cup yishock mara nje otherwise izinye izinto
does it go back to experience of competing with FIFA World Cup you remember we're talking about experience ukuthi ngizoyibisela emuva remember we spoke about Rele namthajela remember ukuthi really bamthembile without any experience bamlahlela ku defend ngithi wenzani sharp so in regards to the FIFA World Cup abo Cape Verde because the first time playing and all of that is it because of experience the way they played or is because maybe
I think ikidade ngiyayitsho nginal point in terms of mentality these African teams I think
playing there
because
if you that's why the lines first time
it's so they
highlight experience
it's so they maybe let's say it's like the top 4 siyaqala ukudlala or let's think top 16 see first time sidlala tournament egrot siyadlala
same stage as FIFA
tournament egrot then it's qualified to the next round abantu bazoba shocked nathi ngabana rating ukuthi asicaviyo yangithola
why sure
it's because of asaziwa that is why ngithi mentality ukuthi Argentina ingaya fair it's because of we saw them winning it the last time
let me break it down first team EFE it's the first time playing maybe let's say it's City Black Label Cartel sidlala back then bafika first time for the effect ukuthi abantu bazoba surprised ukuthi labantu labo bayawina nani is because of kunalento le in the back of the head lingering ukuthi it's their first time they don't have experience for this kind of tournament and this is a big tournament you understand they've won Nagubo it's a shock because it's like okay we've never competed here and we don't have their experience of which we can compete in full stages so I look like lower ranking leagues or whatever lower ranking cups or whatever tournaments must speak ala you'll have experience how do you maneuver yourself in this competition there's crowd and everything isn't too much to allow it goes back to experience it might not be 100% 50% but 10 or 15% it is experience
so should we talk about this game or something else
now we can talk about something else
no ngisho ukuthi kulento ikhulumayo should we
understand mina bengifuna understand
sama mfana ku experience
okay why it's mentality experience king experience
mindset
king experience
ukuthi it's something that you've done you've been there
yes they've been doing it
whatever
no one whatever leaks such experience and it because you're learning along the way but with the experience layer I feel like there's like stages njengoba kune SAP APC NFT then PSL you know very well with player some of the players they do make it umntwana bamlanda ku SAP makafika lapha athi multi choice one season phezulu mnandi you understand but already lento le there's some people ukuthi they gifted labantu ukuthi akanavalo hero and I'm going there but kube nomuntu ozo-instilla lelo valo lelo. Let's say for an example, the majority of South Africa, the squad, banganavalo, but because of Hugo Boros nama-doubts wakhe, you understand? So yeah, moving forward.
That's why I see a
We did say
Moving forward.
Hugo
That's why you can see
Boros
mindset.
not Amapule.
So is Morocco the tournament biggest surprise package?
No.
Why?
Front class. They are about all the teams as well. Netherlands in the sharp. Either way, but it's because of the coach. The coach keep messing up the lineup and cutting paste isn't as unnecessary. I'm going to go for good Reina stock. Go right. Like
Hey,
realistic.
Hey,
I understand.
Like
When is he using to school members? I understand. That's why you check with like pound to pound. Konama team. Same to Mexico. Mexico being a Gilale, South Africa pound to pound. It could be 2-2, it could be 3-2, it could be 4-3, 5-4 game. But because of coach.
Yivaga. He's a coward.
Before World Cup.
Morocco, Puma, no.
Okay. The man can say no, right?
Yeah, it's no because of last time Bafika Masi.
No.
Puma,
Okay, yeah. Then which round of 16 match are you looking for?
Obvious. Portugal and Spain.
Portugal and Spain.
No way.
That's the PT.
Yeah, match prediction.
Spain.
Yeah, match prediction between those two.
Spain.
Kule game lelo uthi obvious.
Spain so win.
Spain so
Spain so win.
So
Between
Spain and Portugal,
Mauritius or
Portugal.
Is it? Count them. Remember over moving
Superstar.
Yonke yangithusa mengicabanga
forward yard.
Portugal. Midfield yonke yangithusa yangistress uyo ama superstar phaya.
And then
Spain Pedro no yama.
Torres.
Torres ichwana.
Olmo.
Hayi Olmo la. Akavula.
Kukarela na ichwana.
Ichwana.
Wanabuza. Hayi phela ngimazi phela mina.
Rival yakho England umaziga.
Akasethi
ichwana.
Kaba rival ngali.
Abayemhlaba ngara.
Hayi bayamlanda straight.
Okay.
Bayamlanda le tona le uyamali.
Nithe Spain angithi nePortugal. Now uthe Spain nePortugal. Go.
Big match that one.
Kule top 16 eyiphi team ongasho ukuthi they don't deserve ukuba la.
Morocco.
According to the way
KP.
Like KP lizo.
Engadeserve ukuba la.
Ziyalwa leziya. Ishama right.
Ziyaluma na Suarez konke.
Kula 16.
Yeah, I'm talking about last 16.
Engadeserve ukuba la. 16.
Mara mathima awakabi no.
Mara yikho jo.
So far lawo adlalile.
Yeah, ikula 16.
Yeah, idlalile.
Idlala
Idlala England yaphuma ke manje. Chayile ke
naleyo game.
Delfika uSalah, Declan Rice.
Ayuna ngamaqhwashi nayo enye team nayo England.
Okay bafethu. Yeah, kuna dawa lo and it's more go like I would say African players, but we are the most that are affected. Lelo ukuthi ama player wethu when they have to like go to Europe, they have to like start with Manyama team before they can actually go to Europe. Actually, for them to qualify playing to Europe, they have to like go to Belgium, Portugal, and everything. Why is it so strict for, let me just say, African teams who will qualify to Europe? African players, yeah, sorry. Yeah. Did I pose my question?
Azimfana masihlelo lesiranga riding le. Into engiyidinkayo manje. Sengiyayidinka ngiyabona ukuthi ya no. Kahle EPL they are fucking us up.
Bafana neMamelodi Sundowns ke keep it. That's how it is. Bafana neMamelodi Sundowns.
Ay uchaza mina ke
because now they know pretty well. Njengoba sisho earlier on ukuthi most of the players abaphume Africa they representing African nationals in Europe, right?
Yeah.
And talking about majority. Then kuba nale the Viva work permit namalama point score point system whatever that you have to reach the criteria for you to actually qualify or play APL. Like what the
Bese ringa vandag nomazeli notiko like si. Bese ringa riding yazi. Like uteko uyowasho ezinye izinto oh ngabona ukuthi ya no bafethu athi namfana they are really fucking us up Joe.
Oh yes.
They are really fucking us up. But no into engicabangayo no ukuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi how many African players are there in the EPL?
Papa, it's like EPL, it's
Been
EPL
there
because of
long.
African players.
Now into engicabangayo ukuthi bafike kanjani la point system now.
But if you can still
Yeah,
check
yeah, but
Salah vaya ngathi yabo in
So, like, is it
Yeah,
mainly ku-South Africa or ku-Africa yonke?
Well,
Africa, but I think
Yeah, it's
that
Africa.
into engisho ukuthi Africa I think lezi zamba saseyang.
and another thing, most of the players, let's say Nigeria, Ghana, wherever,
West.
most of the players there, like ama team wabo, niyazi ukuthi nathi bafethi we've been struggling in South Africa. Bafana ukuthi sithole like the right, you know,
channel.
angazi ngizothi nyala, the right channel
Channel.
ukuthi sambe cream like khona manje. Khona sesingathi siyakholwa ukuthi okay, sine team engacompete. Asikhohlwe ngoyuko bros but sine team engacompete. So that being said, most of the teams, African teams, they play your Cavs, they play whatever in and whatsoever for them to qualify because apparently they check ukuthi udlale kangakanani ku national team.
Cavs.
Like what are, like how many percent are you playing with domestic team and local, you understand? So nakhona if we can dala, I think we do have like Euro, but the African Euro type of thing.
Of course.
Ikhona,
Of
but
course.
something that would actually meet the standard talent lebasenzela and of course if ever njengoba show the Western Africans but for layers out the team we're struggling bro. It's like we're climbing layer after layer.
That ain't
layer
a
after
protest, but because of the media yakada EPL, it plays a huge role. Kayona this thing.
layer. How so?
Like the way ba hypang EPL ka thing. Right now currently EPL ke yona the big league
Yeah,
go
biggest
the
league.
league of
Yeah.
So you can under from there like the way ba hypang ka thing. Obviously rona yimo Mzansi. Abakashabi akala. Mostly the European teams discount over West. But then when it comes to SADC region, abashabili akala. Only if udlala eSoweto derby.
Yeah.
I
Derby
don't
kona the
think
most watched.
by
Abayilateli like league yaka yiye. Yayi Mzansi ya ayi.
It's got some maybe
I don't think by scout.
Ah,
Aba scout Africa.
I'm a
Like,
players Africa's
I
ambela.
would say by a
Yeah,
scout yabo because of most of the time like ama team apaya ubheka aqwele leza se West to start with siqale neta. So like banga scout aba lihlo from there. Intwana lezi zivayele most azo ezinye zase West vele zazivayela kwama rebel or something. Zivazo for living ngada. Ungizi end up sezenzani zidlala ama academy ngada zikhulele la.
So
Yeah, they end up sezenzani represent the team them my support.
so
Edlala the Mexico region.
so you think
England.
ukuthi nathi izinto zethu ukuthi
England
zihambe like
akunapola
grand.
man.
We
Amangabla lawa.
need to go out
Napola.
at a young age.
Declan
That's what
Rice
you
and
say.
change.
Napola lapha ya.
Gopi?
Scary for us to maybe sense izinto ukuthi zibe ngconywana the way zingakhona Western Africa. Should we be taking our young players as young as they are sibathumele ngale so they dala whatever that's been done?
No.
It's a question I'm asking.
It's
and I'm
gonna
not
change
giving
the
yes
style
or
of
no.
play.
Ingibuyisela la.
Yeah.
Chief. That message layer yakho. Le game layer ingibuyisela la.
Like Kelvin.
Yeah.
Nami ngithi ngizosho kanjalo but
Ingibuyisela
no.
la.
Here's the thing, ne? In England, bheka i-structure sabo sama leagues after EPL.
EPL
Into besho
championship.
bheka ukuthi ayingaki. Lezo i-3 zonke ukuya phansi. Thina zingaki? 2.
Is he properly active? Is he
Yeah.
active?
Yeah. Ayikhasela ngisayibhala.
No, 3 DDC. Because of its
No,
complexity.
asingabali PSL imvela,
NFP.
no,
APC.
Mtsipe ne.
Mtsepe,
ABC Mtsepe.
Yeah.
Yini?
After APC, SAP,
ESAP.
SAP.
Bese
Iran Central,
LFA.
ayabona leza
LFA.
ngisaswa.
Fail.
Bheka i-England. Maybe siswake u-F most landela so. I-B C D E amfezwe
Yeah.
inswembu. Maybe F G ziyacala ziba swag yabona ukuthi zibhayi so bane structure
esiproper
as open for English players ukuthi bangadlala daba ngakhona ukuthola ama-player la ngenzwa so coming to your question mina ngithi no ne because of we can do that la angifuni ukuringa amagama mara bangadli imali basaselile nyuku leyo balungisa idisk lase South Africa
ama-resources njayami
whatever
so ngama-resources izoshada
ama-resources akhona
uzwa ngithini no into engishoyo ukuthi ziyadliwa lezi ngithi angifuni ukuringa amagama so ngicune ngithi ziyadliwa mara if bezingadliwa nje yonke into ibe structured grand
Maruringe VAR because of if ubheka
singaba mnandi
okay bafethu
Ungidishele njalo.
ukudisturb kancane abantwana abancane bekayi
oh yeah
cela ukudisturb kancane la as we taking a break flying away from everything let us spin our thing is gents
yeah that is one
yeah thank you to Repu
yeah
Taki kanjalo that way
Yabo.
yabona manje sesiyehlisa lokho behlele la leli silikhuluma kwamele lehle lisathile nyanga kancane so khona ukukhuluma
it gives you wings
yeah
thank you yes you were saying Themba
njengoba siyakhuluma ngama-resources if ubheka e-Randburg kune-stadium esiyi-1
Iran Central le
Randburg yeah
it's fully equipped
Yeah.
fully
yilezi bezidlalela kuzo amagame esayidini
Yeah. but if ubheke guys kune-stadium esiyi-1 esingathi si-fully equipped
Dobsonville
no Nike Center
No, like,
we're talking like in terms of development
okay
phela ama stadium phela
Okay,
ngithi
yeah.
nasibheke yabo
yes
arena
yeah no I get yeah
Yeah, I
so
understand.
yeah
for ama-development so that's also thola lezi zasechizini ezidlala ngala and thola ukuthi bahafa ama-fees nani compared thine kasi sijimela yibucwini Yeah, I understand. sometimes that's why you're gonna find it hard for certain players to adapt because of usuka enhlabathini and mazodlala eThefi ayicaba iThefi
la ma-tricky khona
Yeah, I
la
understand.
shishituza khona
it's more challenging so that's why kuzoba ngathi development yethu yaselokishini ayisipani or ini mara monga
right in fact
that's why
Select-
mobheka i-structures ase-England i-G swag mara la bajimela khona proper you understand so that's why siyakhala
yabona makungadliwa imali angifuni ukukhuluma into ezibhayi
Respect lento le yabona le
Mara.
lento ekhuluma nayo ngishaye research ngayo ne ukuthi if we were like to sense ukuthi South Africa even noticeable that's when we start like believing in our young talent
Yeah.
Chuti instead of believing but we start from there yakhumbula kunye angazi ukuthi ngeke ngayibuza le question ukuthi why is it abo Phillies game ba focus kwabantu aba like players let's just book let's khathele mfethu and you go back there and sign those players why don't you uqala kuma under 10 ukhuphuke nayo lebona babe lighting that feel ura mfethu kuyahla TV so I can manage whatever because remember ntonyane enyani kuyona eswitch
yeah
amkhona
it motivates you
you understand phela lo no pula nale bona nekudlala kusina di support from batswadi ba rona lengile to fitlhe re tswelle di support ka bona ha utla motho a qala a shayela fitling me spirits a phupho goba wa ngithola just imagine ntwana ya dlala ya sona le family una le like media and everything
Yeah.
you become familiar with noma so fitla ba lahlela kwa ko making ulodlala Manchester capacity
Yeah.
kwethu
get used to it
you get used to it
and ntanga lawo ma lower leagues lawo ngada ziyahola ziyaphila
kahle thina sikawatha
Salary,
government
singaringa amagama
hayi government
oh yeah hayi balandi
government
balandi
government yes
Yeah.
because namanje mangathi phela naseykolweni phethu ngasikhathi usageleza kodwa lumtsipe league inini manje mfethu like ayisekho the way bengakhona manje like ilokhu yaphuma I'm talking about sports in general
yeah
you go to townships
Then we-
sports
then we still
asalandela njengasecaleni
sisaleka ku-development yemzansi
and kunomuntu one
kakhulu
how
insight nga-riding leyo ne ngifuna azwakale ngizoringa naye linye footman lami ngu coach Thabang ngifuna azwakale azoringa ngayo le because uyi-coach ye-team and ngathi yasescale or uyijimisele escale. So manje ngizoringa
Because
naye
nathi
silence.
khona manje eMorris besile last 2 months so inspect ground la besijimela khona. Bebafuna kahle u-coach wethu basketball bebafuna ukuthi siqale i-team lapha eMorris because yabona endoda kunalapha eMorris mongena emva kwamapalo disk. Angithi kunala uTsopela Tenka ukarwela komrako kumahlapeni. Unale KB la. Like isona litsile kenelang au kenele skara you never think gonal batho kara. Ya penywa. Anything can happen phela. Lingo siyasigele ka rape la mole sa tseba understand. So never lo sheba riding ba batla khutisa sport. Then you ask yourself for dikela tse tselo ring ni dikela tse tseba mo a sa hula bona ke na bo rute kganto na tse. No tseba ba re
go and watch on Wednesday.
Exactly, but now fighter sa le riding like it's there. And ibula likinto liko skolo.
Bayenzani?
Skolo. Chelete sports is allocated, right? Kinto kicho. Chelete school has been allocated for sports. Then you figure la pa so sector umntwana ukuthi akhiphe imali transport nge-sports day. Then you ask yourself what's happening here? What's happening? So our government is failing us and the people under the government, like the hierarchy, like from podium we are class, it's failing us.
Yeah, no, fuck FIFA. Kunento ngifuna ukuyisho, ngifuna ungisho.
Fa.
Le chwantla leli ngifuna ugelezele ngisiringe ngayo. Ele ngichwantle likhuluma something.
No, we far from this, but just read it.
Ithini lo chwa?
Pirates winning the league created an illusion of competitiveness at the top of the South African football. The gap between Sundowns and Pirates in every aspect is way bigger than the people are comfortable. Or it's way bigger than people are comfortable admitting. Okay, Chiefs are close to Pirates than Pirates are to Sundowns. How so?
There is le chwantla.
Yeah, but okay, asifunde futhi.
Uthi
Yeah, it's sifunde.
the level
I get what you say.
Sundowns ekuyo is way up there, and the Pirates is not even close to that.
Like,
But the Chiefs is closer to Pirates.
yazi ukhulumela okay.
Ukhulumela
Wrong. Yazi ilabantu abanjani? Ilabantu labo fana nabo Cherry.
Kulisandawana.
Abo Cherry mostly baba focus kuzinto ezila.
Oh,
Like short term. So short. Short term goals. So lo mjita lo uvela bheka league standings, then it just blabbed about this whole thing from where I am. Because like like I can talk okay, but
you know
your
why?
opinion now.
Idakiwe.
no, but
No, you know why?
dog, no.
My pick is mangabe uyabheka i-Pirates out of 11 idlala nga-8 ye-South Africa.
Yeah.
Yangithola. Mangabe ubheka i-Downs idlala nga-5 or
That's a
6.
point.
For foreigners.
So,
And
the
then
rest
manje-
of the
Abahambe.
teams
Babuyisa no bani? Kima mfano.
Linonze basana
Ona
foreign.
man. Number 10
Ribeiro.
Ribeiro.
Newcastle Ribeiro.
Sebengakhe ama-foreign players.
I understand. So, okay,
Basayine
Chiefs,
bafuna
second
ukusayina
Chiefs.
Louis.
Sabuya ku-Chiefs. So, angeke mfethu phela if you're gonna play with like South America most, ne?
It's South.
Yeah, South America most. Obviously, team yakho it's gonna excel to that extent of it.
In our
It's willing
European
to
players.
it's willing to compete. You understand?
Siritsisikayo.
And Apple,
And
how can you say such things knowing pretty well already? Sundowns body play.
You see, already one day the Golden Arrows who were supposed to
Ndlovu.
No,
Ndlovu,
sebamthatha man.
bomb hijacking for what?
And baceda ukusayina uyabona le ayisigning ye-coach because beka-coacha in the team yaseMorocco beka-coach.
i-Esperance, akusiya Esperance, le bedlalela umkwana.
Yeah, beka-coach uCaruso.
Oh yeah.
uCaruso le-
lada liza ku-Sundowns.
uCaruso nayo le.
Signing ye-coach akusiyi-signing ukuthi Sundowns bengeke imbheke nokumbheka. So uyabona ukuthi so now we can see ukuthi i-coach is signing these guys, they will bring them here and u-coach bangamcosha noma kunini bazosala kuyi-problem ye-Sundowns future mara manje angibazobawinela bayenzini but kuzoba i-problem and layeleng leyo i-affecta i-national team. That is why mina ngithi ayisho i-Chiefs
Yeah.
ngabuyisela i-strategy sabo sakudala. I-Chiefs bekuyibi inhlwembu ngama-youngsters. So if
Yeah,
kuba
understand.
i-Chiefs ne-Pirates nama-youngsters Joe
In
sidlalisa ama-youngsters sithole i-structure sigele
if you can
sokucoacha
check,
ley'ntwana lezi.
From way back.
Yeah.
Sundowns has been signing like that.
But
Ama-internationals.
those who see how intercalate
Ngiyayizwa lento
affects
ayikhalelayo.
national team
Affects
because of,
national
there's
team.
no players there who are not playing. Let's say Ulitlak will just play.
Akakasani nokusayina.
Exactly.
It just sikhulume nje nge-game time yakhe. That boy is good. He can be squad team. It's fine.
Mhm.
But no, because of the
Abadala.
game time, amazi umadala actually amangabodlala into.
I-point.
Yeah, I understand. So into bayenzayo, they're gonna sign more international players or foreigners.
Bakhishele intwana.
Intwana
Bakhishele intwana.
bazithathe bazise ku
Bakhishele
Cape Town
intwana.
City lenzansi. Umadala kana isikhathi salowo magame.
Ufuna
Umadala kana isikhathi.
mangabheka. Mangabheka ne. Mangabheka. I-Sundowns
So ne-unfinished business
Sundowns
AFCON.
ihlezi isayina so ama-internationals. Remember le yase Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, le beshaya left back ye-Sundowns. Big name. Kimang ngiyalibala litho layo. So like yabona ukuthi kuyavalid nje labo yokusign. Whereas Pirates isayina different and especially isayina ama-youngsters wangayi-eMzansi mostly. Pirates dominate most ngama-youngsters waseMzansi.
That's why you see athi uisha ukuthi Chiefs.
The Chiefs should vele ifole under
understand.
uyele
So
la.
that sizokwazi ukuthi i-team
Sibabhala.
sizoyibuilda around labantu laba.
Sikhohlwe yile laba abanemali.
Mina I get it why vele ba computer Champions League CAF and then by Intercontinental. No, it's fine.
And there's-
Mabaye na. But then ngamapha ama-player.
In fact,
Ape
Sundowns
ape,
they're
this is
doing this for
sabotage
themselves,
media.
not for
Exactly.
South African football.
Yeah,
So
get your kitchen.
I
You
agree
need to
now.
understand that from
I
no.
understand.
Because boy, as much as Rata salary, the foreign coaches or the Twitter, whatever, spanning
Yeah.
everything, remember, at least a coach or also on command. Bagona ba coach by Twitter name. But you go second in command and Abana say talking about this fucking Hellman Kelele thing. Yeah, moving forward.
Midnight Express.
There's number 11.
Then Groovies. Na kukhona manje iSundowns njengobasho bazenzela bona.
Yeah.
Basayine le coach le iletha ama-player engakhi lapho kuSundowns aphuma ngaphandle.
You see?
And ngaso sikhathi lawo ma-player aphuma ngaphandle lawo wethu okwamele asirepresent.
Awadlali ku-national team.
National team.
Urenas
Sakhula
he
kanjani
got
Standard
fucked
Team?
because of Con Leon. Aziringeni ivari.
Hayi vari lelo mfethu. Mina ngiphikisi.
Usale ngakadlali la noma sazi ukuthi mnandi because of kuneplayer la ngale egcoka number 10.
Santos. Right?
Yeah.
You see? So in the
Olichako akadlali because of kuneplayer la ngale
Skimang
bafethu.
eSlender Williams okwambisa ma Williams Skimang Matthews. Abo
Tashreed.
Matthews.
Tashreed Matthews.
So mfana, sometimes they're doing it for themselves mfana. They are not doing it for us.
But yeah, it's affecting
You're
us.
trying
It's
to improve
affecting
South
us.
African football.
Yeah.
Shout out to Pirates for signing youngsters.
Yeah, izinja ke.
You can't.
No, easy.
Yeah, no,
Pretty
sibonile
can't.
kuphuma ama-nominees, PSL, what.
Yeah, usibisela wona sister.
Yeah, akekho focused usefonini akazi ukuthi
Omunye azibeka.
omunye ngayiyeka akidlala la. Wake balalanga ngapha
Rekhona kathi sikhuluma sodwa.
ikhamera ibhekele.
Iqinile. Ayicimanga.
No.
Ngizokhohlola kabuhlungu.
Thatha ifoni chief.
Yeah, coach usibisela.
PSL Footballer of the Season nominees.
Wanzi.
No one. Seriously.
I mean mfana nginama-debates abhanje.
Tebo Mokoena ki
Midfielder, striker, or footballer?
yeah, football of the season. Tebo Mokoena,
Nominees are
Rile, Mfukeng, Ozwena Police.
Mfukeng.
Asiringeni ivari bafethu. Bayi-three.
By three.
Utlile Mkwena, Rile, and Mfukeng na police.
Kwenzakala.
Host
Ulalile.
I host.
No.
Host izinto zakhe.
Ayinavar.
Uthe?
Uzoyikhipha.
Tebo Mokoena.
Eh.
While you are still choking.
Yeah,
Ngathi
ngakho sesha.
Rile, Mufukeng.
And
us win a police.
Nah, it's like
bafethu football of the season.
Football of the season.
The Worm Coin.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ubani bafethu.
Players
Ungene
Chaba.
kanjani siqale ndaba
Come
bafethu.
on.
Oh, siqale ndaba.
before singena la. But midfield again.
Football. Focus, chief.
Ari, ke focus ba no tsaka
Focus, chief.
ukunya samba chain out.
No, bafethu
Ekamkwena man.
questionable.
How is it questionable?
Because of
it didn't have the
Ketemkwena
best
we
season.
previous.
Nah, Kiabuta, how is it questionable?
He didn't have the best
He
season. He didn't have the best season, Joe.
Wena karenga yena
No.
chief.
Na modi
Awards bangamnominate. Yeah, bangamnominate da udlalile kuKev. UPSL. Ngeke bafethu.
I'm pretty like it's tight.
Three tight. After kuyenzakala ngale move ka Rile.
It's over time.
But
I think as
I'm rooting for both of them.
I think no.
It's quite obvious. Our Messi is gonna
Mabangayenza Messi.
Our Messi is gonna take it.
Our Messi.
Who's our Messi?
No, like it's quite obvious. Our Messi is gonna take it.
Our Messi.
No, meaning it's
Ayibeso, ke number 10 was Cha.
Our
Ke bona le
Messi.
players
My
Cha.
Messi, yeah. What like it shows.
Number 10 was
Players
Cha.
Chava isiphuzile ngekhana.
Yeah,
Mara midfield of the
Benimisa.
Mina ngithatha usibuzanga next.
Benimisa.
Into bayikhulumile toilet.
Lo mkhulu wakho lo. Benimisa. Yeke Yayibona ikhulu yasipha.
Uzokhipha i-play creative uzosifakela umuntu odlala emuva.
Mfethu mahopa
Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi lo coach lo Hugo Bros akabonanga i-small detail ku-first half ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ukuthi dabe kumele ngikhiphe yini players Cha fakumbatha. Umuntu ozokhona ukulanda ibhola le alisile. Ungasabe ukwenza ama-forward passes noma ama-player la. Ukhipha umfukeng ufaka umbatha uthi aphase ba.
Asana plan.
And another question kenza
Asana plan.
kenza shit. Kenya
No.
Mara based on his last game, it was gonna be unfair.
Last two games.
Uspanile game le Korea.
Uspanile magnane kim.
Ukhombo kabani? Ambathana.
Exactly.
Kubeka mfethu. Phela players Chabanyana.
Siwine so. Untanga bekangeke.
Yakela i-players Chaba ihlale e-icing kancane. Uzomfaka sesifuna ukuvala
uzoyithatha-ke.
Mfana umfukile.
Messi.
Captain. Akubona. Kema ngomungu. Yo. Betway Premiership Coach of the Season. Nominees.
Wina makhapa 3 come on. Wadu Paul baba.
Khona Cardoso yini?
Chwantla. Cardoso win Champions League. Le PSL award. Bamnominate ku-CAF.
Ungasabizi laba baba.
Kuba samshanga nominee.
Ungasabizi abanye.
Yeah, number 2.
Khona abanye phela ungasababizi.
Ungasababizi lapho ungasababizi. Ungasababizi.
Lezi chill.
Laba kusabo coach laba interim. Put not in interim. Interim is quite better. Laba
okay. A police really. Sibilibi.
Players of what?
Yeah, PSL. Players player of the season.
Yeah, let me catch you.
It's a bit way.
Yeah.
Ozwini first season
Ozwini players
well Sibilibi uspanile because of
awuspanile Mike Mamosh ekafuneka ku-World Cup
police uspanile
Mike Mamosh
Kamkoko FC right yada kaje Kamkoko FC gambona ga utla ka something a police ngale game le Mkoko FC le ngabona kahle ukuthi hayi uyeze nge-first season yakhe
no I players player
okay one young players maybe
Betway Premiership young player of the season
that's number 10
Siluleko Mahlambi
but he went to Serie A maybe can accolades
no Isaac Sisele Lamontville
ngimtshelile ngalela play nakhumbule ngimtshela le ngabo December le ngathi kunelinye player abathu sisi
remember kinomini ya really before
anivayile eOrca
ayivayile so ithathwa abani ithathwa uri
yeah
naye unina kakhulu
ke midfielder
yeah ke midfielder of the
season ke yenzeni kwathi ivuka
midfielder le footballer nse ba ke nominista thinking 21 mstani
still the same
mfethu
Yasibuze igama.
Bangamgaya ke.
Le bazomgaya.
Lesingamfuni.
Debs.
Bazomgaya.
Midfield.
Emawathi
Bangamgaya.
amarika
Bazomgaya.
Bangamgaya.
Awuthi
emabakamu
Bangamgaya.
uriya
So ukuthi
bakamu
Bangamgaya.
ya skabalenzwe bakamgaya
Ucabangani?
Mara itize.
Yabo.
Alende head apela season then.
akekho yini
I'm just saying. Alende head apela season then. That's
Giva.
ngiva.
Defender of the season.
Mina ntwana mhlono siyema. Wayenzani uyalwa?
Bodlela sibisi.
Sawume basaba.
Yangisafuna ukuzwa laba abanye ukuthi siyema defender of the season uyalwa.
Most improved player.
Hayi defender of the season.
Wena tengile mama.
angihlanya kasema mfana
Siyema Joe come on
akekho.
bafethu.
okay ndawu
Wajifika
fona
Akekho.
ndawu is the best but siyema ju intwana elwani mfana
Hayi bafethu siyema udlalile bafethu. This
and
season.
for to ngisho ukuthi newcomer or something
Newcomer.
newcomer and
Nabe kwi first season yakhe ne?
like
Lebi first full season yakhe
Yo.
la Pirates.
Yeah.
first two games were shaky but after that
Uyayibona into bengisho nginimthathe
Webambile after uvela umbuka zaceda ukuvaya.
okay
mara from
Siyema.
mfana from there.
siyema la uthi siyema lona siyema
Siyema.
Elise mudlala nombokazi la nobhodlela kule season.
Exactly Joe.
It says a lot.
And mawubheka
Wadlala no Sesane.
Naye interesting goalkeeper of the season.
Bafethu wasistela. Ngazodelela uChayini. Ngadelela uChayini.
yaso spiders
Ayikho
phela
interesting.
Trevor.
Ayikho
Manga-
interesting.
Papa Manu kima
Mang.
like goalkeeper yakhe.
Interesting.
Angadelela uChayini.
Ghost
Ngadelela angasitsheli ngale.
nakhu
Ricardo goes.
nakhu
Brandon Peterson Messi.
ubona nama clean sheet apha.
wona nama clean sheet apha
Bangazodela
okay
uChayini.
asesiyazi ukuthi
Ama clean sheet ay 21.
move on
15 ngara
Eliki.
15. Eliki. And then goes nanga 18 somewhere there.
then Kenneth Bank
Ngabona seba ayinka goalkeeper chi inka.
Hey kanjani?
Hayi squatting.
Ayile squad.
Okay, asisingene tournament ke Nedbank Cup ne day of the tournament. Nominees are Darren Keat,
Yeah.
Famandla Nganana, Brooklyn Pochenpool.
Mina bengoyigawuda Darren Keats.
Khotmala ka retire.
So
Yeah.
that
Darren Keats.
yeah, Pirates is just in.
amake compromise talent
Yeah, Khumbula.
because of
Khumbula le phela le shining game le Pirates.
iyo le
Hey, le
Shining game le Pirates Eliki.
linga
Ubani?
because siyacabangela
Ngicabangela
hayi
ukuthi
goalkeeper ngoba retire kwamele compromise talent labantwana
Bafisa
Makaritha
sikhathi.
ngadopa
Darren Keat has been there for long.
Nedbank Cup most promising player of the tournament. Most promising. Silule kwaMahlambi. Bani le? Sifumba and Carl Jurgens.
akihlanya kamahla
I think it's two Durban City players and one
Mahlambi.
Yeah,
Because of
Mahlambi
udlalile team eGroot
udlalile
and umnandi
kule tournament.
Yeah. Mahlambi.
Wine yini Durban City?
Yeah.
Yeah, Durban City.
Badlale ne-TS final.
Final.
That is why
Yeah,
tournament dominating.
in the next 2 or a year
Lesifumba ile kuya ku ile Sifumba ile kuya ku Cape Town City. Development le Sifumba.
Ngiyazi lo Sifumba.
Sifumba.
the next 2-3 years mashinini uzobana
Man.
Nedbank. Nominees.
Calling knockout player of the tournament.
guys it's Nedbank icala yabona
Hayi asiqali kuNedbank sifana nomfukeni Sembishas PSL.
Nedbank
PSL.
Calling knockout
Singena
player of the
Hayi,
tournament.
PSL sombheka dawo.
Washington Ruby.
man
Mbekezele Mbokazi. Ndaba ithetho.
play of the tournament
Calling knockout.
Ubani?
Mbekezele Mbokazi Ndlondlo.
Yeah,
arubi lena
yeah, nondlondo udlalile.
mbeko zolimbo
Ndlondlo bekashama 360.
Bazoyiga umbokazi.
Ani yakho ne? Last man
last man
standing.
standing
Team 1
nayine gagaya
Ubani nominees?
Mremi Sibelebele apolice.
Eish nomrimo udlalile ke emthini.
maka last man standing
Police, boyithu.
Bangamnika phela apolice bekamhlaba
Mara
ngamaphazi.
yo maru Mike Mamo.
Mike
Mamosha.
Mike
Mamosha.
Mamosha.
That's why I get last man standing.
Last man standing ka game ya Sundowns 1-1.
Yeah, I thought
Ali 1-1.
Mike Mamosh.
and then police
Mosha
wa
Sobata.
provide abo ma two assists
If I give
Ngubani?
ke spili billing ka ya police.
na ya ko escotini last man standing ngatsebe ya ko escotini Motsepe Foundation Championship player of the season
Okay, nekusayishe beli game mara
Yeah, sikhuluma boba namanomi.
Ndlovu
yayitshale
Ronaldo
uyamali
Milvet Boy
Big boy ntwana.
uyamali
That's why besingayibukeli but ama-clips esiwabonayo besibona wakhe. Laba abanye besiwabona besiwabona
FIFA
ama-clips.
president aminyile. Ila
Wena
sikhuluma
leya,
ngawo.
uyabona.
Ila sikhuluma.
Motsepe besingayibukeli because of most wakhipha ama nominations Motsepe
mara badlalisa amagame akhona how you gonna
abawa
see the game?
broadcast
You
obviously
see.
so like
So bona
SABC
njenge
bekumele
TikTok, 30
utilize lo.
30 seconds clip.
mfethu Motsepe Foundation Championship goalkeeper of the season uba Jacob Malcolm Jacobs Phamandla Hleza bani Mickey van der Hart
Who are these guys?
Sobabona
Captain
Burki
So,
again.
yes,
Oh,
sir.
this one.
ingene Cape Town City
Bafetha
ngenanga mfethu
Yo.
Phamandla Hleza
Phamandla.
Milford
Sesomba na.
Yena Milford baba ngibona
Yena Milford,
Milford.
khona le mnandi leya ku Cape Town City sibala
Khona le mnandi
Amato.
Milford number 12.
Satan's beyifuna bathi
Young player of the
Walker.
season.
wokhaneo obvious ayimfethi kaya ko la renki man Milvet Boy Fortune
Ene ke tsa Cape Town City kaofela.
mfethu
Kareng.
City ya Omel Gabriel Amato
Ena ihlanya ka
young player of the
Like a
season
Vet Boy.
Vet Boy umuntu
Fortune
simthola
Atsuma na
Abatshiwa
Sumakareng.
mabatsi.
Sumakareng Fortune.
Fortune Clayton Caden over Caden yeah Caden Fortune amakalati
Okay.
Ebafethu umfuke nguvayile.
Yo,
mfuke ngayo
Go-
shit
Yeah.
urisile okay
Khona commentator of the season.
sisachubeka.
Diski
Popular
Challenge.
Popo.
Yeah.
Popo.
player of the season
Popo lapho.
nominees
Mabelwarimi.
Unalike kanda.
nominees are
Mpophalimi.
Bennett Mukwena from Sundowns
Hey mnandi lo ntwana.
Lebu
Yalazi.
Mhlala from Orlando Pirates captain
Obvious. Yeah.
jersey number 8
Yebo.
khumbula ngokutshela ngayo
Hayi mnandi
Hayi mara
ngibona.
nami ngihlanya ngale.
Popadi
Izinja. Yiyo iplay of the season. So ibizile. Yiyo iplay of the season.
Wayophula ke.
Ngiyayithiwa.
bashayisa left back
Yeah, ishaya left back
Mara
le-
le-
badlalisa slebe la positioning
Yeah,
Mara
intswelo.
le ntwana
Yeah,
emnandi.
intswelo.
yeah I think
Ubani uKekana?
Ah, commentator
Bennett
mpethu
Mukwena.
akuyibona. Yawayike.
oh commentator
Commentator of the season.
Give man Reggie.
Obvious.
But yeah, unale clip ya game ya South Africa mo kimang okole ajikisita.
Shin ping ping
Angathi nalento shilo ndata athi hayi mu batatwe. Hayi mu. Ndakatatwe.
Ndakatatwe.
yeah I think kitsona nominees zona litsona yini
Yay, okay.
so
Umfuke nguvayile bafethu.
mfike ngazi izinto zakhe zemvayile grand pro wami
Betha.
Amfuke
Let's
nguvayile
have-
bafethu.
fucking
Yeah, re tla ibona tsho.
Into besiyifuna.
Batla ntotho serious. Akuthatha cup already.
Tota
Mara-
Cup ke.
South
Dlala
Africa
ubani Tota Cup?
Tsaya makhufi.
Idlalwa
Chiefs.
Who?
Yazi makudlalwe mawufikeng kudlala yiphi team?
South Africans ne into besiyifuna ukuthi umfuke ngavali
I have a question to ask.
so
Yeah.
sihappy
And
simzansi
I'm a friends with you.
Oh, ngicabanga ukuthi uthi umehluko
If-
nje umehluko le.
If you're a
Umsukile.
president of South African football for one day, what is the first change you would make to help Bafana Bafana win the World Cup in the future?
Akabribe yo. Angina-oil antwana yami ngemali.
No.
I mean, I would make sure ukuthi space ama foreign players 2 per team.
limited
Yeah, it's limited. Most kuba ama players South Africa.
Yeah,
But it's time.
ngathi ngayibhala nje kube zilch.
Nice.
Mama,
Let's give them grace.
Hayi already
Wow.
zisibiza abo coach babo baphelele 100% abo coach babagcwelela.
Let's give them grace. They are our brothers, yabo. Just give them space of two.
No. This is not about the match thing.
ngeke
I'm just
sibahambise
saying.
AS3 young player under 20.
Yeah, so that they can get
So we
more
are
time.
preparing for their countries too. Yeah, we are fixing that. And since I show ukuthi mfana le mali lebelidliwa le uyayibuyisa yonke wenza ama-resources
development.
we-development ukuthi abe mnandi
Uwe loyo.
sifake imali
Kumele
Uwe
ba-
loyo.
yeah
Wena.
Usho ukuthi
Oh,
uyaphila.
Bafethu hayi.
Bona e tlo nka nako e lang to.
one day ntwana
One day
i-tournament
tournament.
nemele ithathe
Just-
Nje ngicela bebele change.
Yabona thina saw.
Mfana ake ka mohau wa modimo. Ke tla ba fa modimo. Ka mohau wa modimo dintho di tla change mfana nae.
Steve. Una le opportunity. So be president for one day.
Seba-
Awuthi-
Okay, one
uthi
million.
kulo.
Mfana I wouldn't want to be a
okay
I
cabanga
don't want
Awuthi
that question.
cabanga.
Don't make it
Cabanga.
too complex, bro.
yeah icabange ntwana ngisho ntwana wena icabanga
Si invest more ku youth and like khona le strategy I think it's like a CB where like there's supposed to be 3 players who are under 20.
yeah
I'm sorry. So that whenever we're gonna build a team, we will know it is build a team for future. So that says if umuntu bamsign under 20 to PSL, we know in the next 4 years he can play squad team, World Cup, or he can play for Kev. You understand? And like this mara never mind. Uthemba Zwane.
yeah
Was
yeah
it
yeah
Nyamzona?
yeah yeah
Ngiyamthola.
yeah yeah
Good man, fair experience yonke into mnandi mara urile ukhombisile ukuthi he can play, he can do the things.
Yes,
You understand?
nje bakhona abanye aborili
Yeah, bakhona abanye abori. So I think we should invest more ku development ne youth yethu.
sithola abo big Z
Yeah.
nabo Sizwe la ucoach Sizwe bacoach la babuild ama-team agree for i-analyst abo Thabiso
ukuthi
bayoshaya i-fitness lapha
Yeah,
bafaka abantwana abantu ama-analyst
Esayidini lami
ngone ku-TikTok ifaka ama-analyst
we
njalo
invest kulokuzana
development.
development and we make sure whether we make sure we have proper facilities
Yeah.
like your football pitches.
Pitches, this is
and
great.
ikaw
Great. Each and every I stretch apart. Yeah, if I'm a president, I have all the power, right? So each and every location in Kasi, like township, there must be the main stadium. Then go in and say, "As a wood, span of one like center, there's some crowd.
Yeah.
I couldn't divide that to 4, 5, whatever."
for
We set up
development
Sorry.
junior.
yeah
Then I would tell her like this: each and every like I want Soweto, OIT. Let me just say Soweto in general. So la
Yeah.
yakhumbula indaba ngizoyibeka asifuni ukuyibeka on air because that's something that we're actually working on. So la Rockville in we know ukuthi there's players there. And kule league le ukuthi siyashaya thina. League ukuthi whichever player ukuthi sekasi dlala idisk, he must be registered. Like if it's a compulsory thing ukuthi intwana edlala idisk ekasi ibe registered kuleyo team there. You understand that? Lawo ama team lawo it's a winning league kuba ngathi maybe odlala nama team like NFT whatever. Mabashaya maybe le team le badlala ku NFT it consists of 16 teams, right? They take one player for a trial. Yakhumbula iNedbank wenza kanjani? They try. Maba settings ngaba kuthapha maba ngekho settings maybe under evaluation and everything. Same applies to NFT.
The only person who's doing that is Black Poison.
Yeah?
Black Poison yenza kanjalo, create ama game nabanye abantu
Yeah, ngiyabona ucreate ama game. Sengisho ukuthi let's say Soweto yonke bathi
Yeah.
ishawela iyo 830 or maybe idobusendule 830. Iyahambe yodlala neteam ethathe ileague ku NFT. Whether niyashaya nishaya but kulawo ma team lawa lapha
you should
you
pick
take
some
tata my player. Maybe if let's say you take 1 or 2 players, get that experience and everything.
Yeah.
When they come back, it's more of each and every off season, whatever thing. Your team there gets to compete with other teams. Many teams they get to compete with professional teams. So it can be challenge. Maso waksaya no utsola lapho wena le duthi ngova. Ngingadlala no Themba Zwane, I'm sure Spice isn't final. So there's a lot that we can change, but for me, basically, that's like
and
development.
wonke ama-player ayekela Themba Zwane
Hayi ngiyacela.
good man and wonke ama-player
No disrespect.
wonke kuyekela ukudliwa imali bafethu asihafeni zonke lentwana lezi bafethu azinentwana lezi under 8 every month ithole 350 at least kuba uma iphumile after school bayibona ukuthi okay iza ne-350 a month hayi ukuthi 350 bayigaye yeah our brothers there from here yabo nazi le ntwana lezi under 10 350 sign contract with every month baze yabona i-coach naye athole something ukuthi uyadevelop abafethu developa kunzima.
I think we need
professionalism lifestyle.
A youth president. Even president yomzansi outside.
Asingene ku-politics.
No! Not politics per se. Sports. Give me. Asibonile Jimo yazi ngithi each and every household kwamele ujime. It's compulsory.
Enye into ezo-improve during the development. Mele bashamalo nama-HPC, high performance center apha because sine-one currently.
Bafethu sibonge to i-Red Bull Taki ukusipha intonyana ukuthi umphimbo uhlala uthambile. Thanks to Tudis as well. Coach Caesar, not forgetting Coach Caesar, not forgetting Big Z, not forgetting our wardrobe, makeup,
fitness coach yethu Thabiso,
fitness coach yethu Thabiso, Tazen.
Tazen.
Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe. The most important thing is subscribing. Yeah, we have a giveaway.
Oh yes.
Giveaway for, let's say, 5 lucky subscribers. Uzothola intonyana ukuthi at least yaspoil nje, at least yathola energy abe nama wings intonyana nala bathi konje kin para iseso teka para iseso la
So that's one not to special.
In fact,
You